I would now like to introduce our FB Spotlight leader, and her name is Ranjana Ghoshal.
Hello,
She
Kalyani.
started her... Hi. Sorry, there was a little lag. Welcome, Ranjana. And let me introduce Ranjana to everyone. She started her professional journey only after her kids grew up. A mother of two lawyers. Can you believe it? I mean, you look at Ranjana, you really don't feel she's a mother of two lawyers. She now has a lot of time to follow her dreams. She started building herself when her kids were young. A very passionate learner. She first worked as an English teacher and later realized that she had some other dreams to follow. She started her company, Skills Arcade, and then the journey began. She helps individuals to get clarity, confidence, and work in a systematic way. Some of her professional qualifications. She's a Dale Carnegie certified trainer. She is a leadership team development skills, International Business Management Institute from Germany. She's done her emotional mastery. She is a certified NLP practitioner. She's a certified coach. She's an MS in psychotherapy and counseling, and loads of certifications. She is a highly learned person. Other than that, she has got many awards. One of the most popular and coveted awards being she's been the Women Icon of the Year by the Catalyst Research Indian Education Excellence Award in 2017 and Promising Women Entrepreneur of the Year Global Quality Awards 2015. Wow. And I can just go on about Ranjana. So let's go over to Ranjana and have her speak about her. So welcome, Ranjana, and thank you so much for joining us on the FB Live Spotlight today.
Thank you so much, Kalyani. The way you expressed your feeling about all these qualifications, I felt very good because you know what? I started very late and I was very apprehensive when I started whether I will be able to do justice to all that I was trying to do. And today, when you called me a learned professional, I really felt good. So thank you so much, Kalyani.
Awesome, awesome, Ranjana. You definitely deserve it, and your story is very inspiring. So, can you tell us a little more about you? Which city you work from? What's your niche?
Yes, definitely. I am from Mumbai currently, and I am working as a growth acceleration coach as well as a life coach. So, when I talk about growth acceleration, I work with entrepreneurs and women to help them grow in their career. And when I talk about life coach, I do a lot of therapy for young boys and girls because they are going through a lot of stress due to the VUCA world, that is the volatile world. So that is the reason why I decided to work as a life coach too, as well as a growth acceleration coach.
Great, that's really amazing to know. What inspired you to do what you're doing right now, Ranjana?
That's a good question, Kalyani. I actually, from the beginning, I always wanted to do something constructive. And I got married very early. And it used to, give me a very sad feeling that I'm not doing something which is very close to my heart. That is, helping people in some way or the other. So when my kids were growing, I decided not to stand in front of the school gate and chit chatting with other mothers. I used to rush to other school, programs, courses to learn and upgrade myself. And believe me, that point of time, I never thought that I will do something, like in coaching or training. But I just wanted to learn. I wanted to grow in life and enhance my knowledge. So that's how I started my journey. Then small, like in bits and pieces, I worked as English teacher and all these. But what happened is in 2012, I thought of starting my own company called Skill Arcade, which is a professional training and coaching company. And from there, this journey started, which is phenomenal. I really love this journey.
Great, Ranjana. That's really an inspiration that, you didn't stick to the television watching the Saas Bahu serials or going there and just gossiping about children. I think every woman should take that lesson from you and focus on their personal growth and follow their dreams. Typically women take a sabbatical after having kids, but here's Ranjana, people. She's the one who's managed her work and her personal life so beautifully, and she'd had the courage to follow her dreams. Awesome, Ranjana. So can you tell
Kalyani, you
us
make me
a
feel
little?
so good.
Can you
Really
tell me a
great.
little? You deserve it, Ranjana. So tell me a little more about your target audience. What kind of segment
Okay.
of people you work with?
Let me just tell you, earlier I was, working with anybody and everybody. Believe me, I did not understand what is a niche, what is a target audience, who is your customer avatar, all these. I did not understand. Anybody who came to me, I gave them training. Any company who came to me, I gave them corporate training. But you know what? When I joined TLC, I realized that I cannot function like this. I need to have a proper target audience and I need to cater to their problems. I cannot cater to everybody's problems, right? So that is how I realized that I have created actually 3 programs, Kalyani, with the guidance of TLC, all the programs and courses that I've done. So my target audience for the 3 programs, one is which for working professionals, one is for young entrepreneurs, and one is for people who are looking at being coaches from a completely new as a completely new coach. So these are the 3 programs, but currently I'm focusing on the first 2, which is for working professionals as well as young entrepreneurs.
Great, awesome. So Ranjana, can you tell me what is the one major problem you solve for them? So you mentioned working professionals. So what is one major problem you solve for them and for the young entrepreneurs?
Kalyani, for working professionals, I've always seen, I see young corporates around, they have a lot of hesitation in, first of all, is communicating. Second is their flexibility. Third is the mindset that, it is their responsibility also. It's not just the seniors who are responsible. They also need to take up leadership and take responsibility so that the organization grows. So I work on their growth mindset, I work on their emotional part, and I work on their professionalism. So finally, the outcome becomes really great. And I'm very happy with the progress that they have. And Kalyani, the second one, the young entrepreneurs, I've started it recently and it's growing very well. Because when I was in Skill Arcade, I worked a lot with entrepreneurs and I realized that they find it difficult. It's a very lonely way of handling themselves, because in corporates they have people around to discuss, but as a small business owner, they don't have many people to take opinion. So they have to refine themselves in such a way that from a very quick quick fix kind of an entrepreneur, they should become more systematic. They should understand that it cannot be just done, for every situation we will handle it differently. No, they should have a system in place from where they can lead themselves to a proper world class kind of an entrepreneur.
Great, Ranjana. I really liked 2 words. One is having a system, and being a coach myself, I realize how important it is to have a system in place, because I totally believe sometimes, people are emotional, so they may work or they may not work, but process and systems will always work. And when you give
Absolutely.
people guidelines and proper templates, I think success just has to come your way. And the beautiful part is that you're working on their mindset. You also said you work on their emotions. So I really love your holistic approach to coaching. And I think young entrepreneurs, as you rightly said, it can be a lonely journey and beautiful. I really love your empathetic approach towards really understanding what your audience needs, and something that people don't talk about openly. You are there for them to help them. So that is fantastic work, Ranjana. Really enjoying this conversation with you. So I would like to know a specific student success story that you'd like to share, with your so much years of experience. I'm sure you must have had many success stories. If you'd like to share one or two success stories with us.
Yes, fortunately, Kalyani, a student who has joined me has never left me. They keep on upgrading themselves. And when I say that I don't have any other program, then they say, "Ma'am, just be with me, just handhold and be with me." And like just before this interview, there was a call from CS, company secretary, and he said, "Ma'am, this is the problem, and I have to write an email. Can you please help me out?" So these are small things that are like that I give without any hesitation. So I have lovely stories. I would like to share one particular. There's a guy called Sushil, and he is a second generation like entrepreneur, business owner. So there is a lot of clash between him and his father, because the two generations think differently about the business. So I actually groomed him from the beginning, and they are into garments. I groomed him, and now, like yesterday also, he said, "Ma'am, now I am totally ready, and I can tell dad that this is how I want to progress, and allow me, and I can show him the systems that I've learned." So, like it really makes me feel good, because they get the confidence after learning all these, and after they implement, they get the results.
Great, Ranjana. That's really nice to know. And, um, in coaching, actually, I feel we do so much more for a person than just the surface level problem. I'm sure you must have helped him improve his self-esteem, and also the father-son
Absolutely.
relationship became so beautiful, isn't it?
Absolutely.
So that is the
There's
ripple
a lot
effect
to
of
do.
the.
It's a holistic growth that I'm seeing. It's gradually coming up, that they have this issue. They come with one issue, but then it's like an onion. I keep on unfolding, and I see this is a root cause of this problem. So it goes like they come for 1 month, then it goes on. Like then they don't leave me. So I really love that feeling. Trust me.
That's really nice. So Ranjana, if someone here watching the FB Live wants to get connected with you and wants to avail of your services, how can they get in touch with you?
I'll just send the links. I've given everything, all the links. Like Kalyani, I wanted to tell you something. Like the way I was functioning earlier, it was really great. But after joining TLC, what I realized is, again, there's a beautiful system behind this. And when I worked on this system, I created my funnel, I created my flame system, and things have turned completely different. And my level of confidence in changing someone has become immense. Now I'm super confident that if there is any problem, first I will change the person, and then the business elements will follow.
Great. So you've already mentioned so much about TLC. What has been your experience with TLC like in few words?
um, I must mention about Guru Murli and Sudhir sir, because they are oceans of knowledge, and their knowledge has been transferred to us so well. There are teachers who have a lot of knowledge, but they cannot impart the knowledge, and other people cannot grasp it. So they keep in mind every student, the grasping power, and then the way they impart the knowledge, it gets very easy for each and every individual to understand what is being trained, how should we go about it. And the most beautiful part is, we meet them every week. So we are not lost. The feeling of being lost as an entrepreneur is never there. Similarly, as a coach, I feel TLC is a beautiful community, and I have so many people around. Just one call, and I know there's a solution. That's the best part of TLC.
Awesome. So Ranjana, every great leader has a message to the world. What is your message to the world?
Can I share three?
Go ahead.
Tiny ones, but I should say, first is, one should be a lifelong learner, because as Tony Robbins says, that growth is a human need. And if you don't learn, you don't grow. And if you don't grow, you can never be happy. That's number one. So everybody should be a lifelong learner, and I follow it. Second is, don't judge anybody, because everybody is a victim of their own situation. So it's very easy to judge and corner a person or label a person. And I think that's a very wrong way of handling people. And third is spread happiness. That's the most important thing that we can do for each and every one. I think these three messages are, are really important for the world to know now.
Wow, I think these are messages I think so relevant in the current time that we are going through. So happiness is definitely something we must spread. Thank you, Ranjana. That was really very, very inspiring. And all you people watching us on FB Live and all of you wonderful audience will be watching us later also. If you want to know more about this wonderful platform and understand how you also can gain, do comment on this video and we will get back to you with more details. We also have an amazing offer for the existing trainers and coaches, an amazing tool that will help you gauge your standing as a trainer, a coach, and understand the gaps, which will help you scale your training business. So if you would like to know more, please like and subscribe to our channel and comment on a specific point that you've liked out of Ranjana's interview. What has been your biggest takeaway? And we would love to get in touch with you. And we will let you know about our upcoming interview very soon. So thank you, everybody. Thank you once again for joining us, and see you more for some more inspiration, more learning from the TLC platform. Once again, thank you, Ranjana, for joining us. Bye-bye, everybody.
Kalyani. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye-bye,
Bye-bye.
everybody.
Have a great
Bye.
evening, everyone. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.